I'm gonna pop some tags.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the
giving
windows and the
chompers.
rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day, I don't know what day it is, day 19. That means I've been vlogging every day for the last 19 days. I'm literally shocked that I'm even capable. So today I got my period. I was in so much pain this morning. I literally woke up this morning, right? I didn't even know I had my period yet. I did my makeup and then I was like, hold up, my stomach hurts. And so I slept in until 6 p.m. Right now, I'm definitely feeling better than earlier and I can finally cook some dinner because I am starving and I'm gonna make pasta. I haven't ate that in a while, so I'm really craving it. And it's so easy to make. Do I even have meatballs? I don't even have meatballs. That is sad, but it's okay. I'm just gonna make the pasta without meatballs. Anyways, I do want to make pasta and we're gonna give Miss Chloe Bear a bath. Her tears are looking mad crusty. Why is she so calm right now? My little baby. Mwah. Let's open a package. This is from my agency. Ooh, look at that. Cute. A planner? I wish this came sooner. I wouldn't have bought my other planner if I knew I was gonna get one in the mail. Wow. It's like the perfect type of format I like. Oh my god, guys. Look at how cute this is. I literally want to wear this right now. I love the color. Oh, it's so cute. I will be wearing this for the rest of the night. We're gonna cook some food now. Look at how messy my island is right now. And I literally don't feel like cleaning that. Are you down for Sally's milk and cookies? Honestly, I feel like my pasta recipe is so good. You guys just have to try it, I guess. But I personally think my ingredients and everything I put, it just tastes so good. Like I really don't like flat pasta where it's like when you're using like the pasta from the jar but you don't put any seasoning. I feel like that tastes really flat and it just has no flavor. Chloe's getting a bath today. Oh my god, I screwed up on her haircut. Why does she look like that? Her forehead looks small. Spend the rest of the night editing me and Char's YouTube video because I have put off that video for far too long. We have not released a video in like 2-3 weeks or even a month. Honestly, we've been like really busy, but I think now is a good time to edit it. So hopefully I can finish that tonight. Also tomorrow, I'm gonna go and get a tooth gem. You guys know how I went the other day. It actually fell off, so I'm gonna go and redo it. After I get a tooth gem, I'm gonna go and get some boba with Jewel though. Really excited. I'm really craving boba. It's been a while. Never mind, I just went last week. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 20. We've got 5 more days till Christmas. So excited for this holiday season to be over. Even New Year's. Like I just want to step into this new year, you know? The holidays are nice. A lot of family time. I'm ready to just start this new era. Today, me and Jewel are gonna go and get some boba. I gotta go to the mall because I have to go buy my cousin a gift. I'm doing like Secret Santa. So I have 4 different Christmas parties. My dad's side, my mom's side, my immediate family, and then I have my friends. So I've been buying like a lot of gifts. None of them are wrapped except for my immediate families. I'm also getting my tooth gem. Last time I got it on this tooth. I think I'm gonna switch it over to this one so that when I go like this, you can see it because I have a crooked tooth right there. So if I put my tongue on this side and the gem is up here, you can see my crooked tooth. Like, I'm more secure about this side of my face for my teeth than this side. This is my look. We're doing a no lash day. Here are the sunnies I'm wearing today. Today is actually so sunny outside, which is like really rare because it's winter and it's usually like really cloudy. Just gonna be wearing this top from Pretty Little Thing, and then my pants are from Princess Polly, and I'm half naked, but I am gonna be wearing a jacket like basically all day. But in case I wanted pictures, like I wanted to be ready for that. The look in the mirror, cute. I'm such a small human being. This is watermelon iced tea. I'll do the bigger size. And then for the pearls, can I do half a scoop? Oh. Hi guys, welcome Christmas shopping with me and Jewel. We are Christmas shopping, so we need to go and find either Timberwolves or Vikings merch, or we need dress pants and cute like dress clothes. Personally, dress clothes are like more so my specialty, but we'll see if we can find merch. Making way for you.
This is it. This is the area.
I don't want to get him like the classic just button up though, you know what I mean? I want to find something more creative. Scarf. Love at first sight.
It's giving chompers. Look at those chompers. Yo, this is kind of scary. I got teeth.
Oh, you can look at your face. I want it to be subtle, but like when I smile, it's gonna like, oh.
Like, ooh, it's there. But so I'm like, you know what? I might as well just do it.
How are you not drooling? I feel like I'd drool if I had it in my mouth. Do I look crazy?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Oh yes.
So cute.
Oh my god, that looks so good. Ew, look at that bling. Guys, make sure to check out Pedra if you guys want tooth gems. Oh my god, I have her Instagram linked right here. Hi guys, so we're at Tristan's house. So Tristan said he needed us to come over so we could help him wrap gifts. Tell me why. This is the only thing he's having us wrap. Like, this is the only gift. We went all the way to his house just for this little box. He got this wrapping paper for that little ass box.
You're lying.
That's okay. It matches the paper anyway. You said at least tape.
These babies.
I know you got those from middle school.
Usually they have lines, but this one doesn't have lines. It's just cut.
My back is killing me. I hate being on my period, and look at how oily I am. Anyways, let me show you guys just like a quick little Target haul. Yeah, I didn't really buy that much, but I bought some bell peppers, 2 packs of ground beef, a thing of food for Chloe. She freaking loves these. Got some milk. I don't really drink that much, so I got this little one. 2 red onions. And guys, look at this water bottle. This is my original one, and this one is cute, but I actually lost a straw, so I've been using this extra straw that isn't for this cup, so it's a little long. I actually think this one is bigger. I love this color. It's like this really pretty pink color, and look at this top. It's a spinny, so nothing's gonna spill out. Tomorrow there's actually a snowstorm, guys, so it's gonna be like obviously snowing really bad, but it's gonna be in between -20 to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is freaking like insane rain and I feel so bad for like any animals that are outside. The thought of anything living outside tomorrow scares me, and I hope everybody stays inside. Ow, don't scratch me, I'm dry. So I did get a package from SMFK. They sell beautiful clothes and I am so excited to open this package from them because I've been eyeing their clothes for a really long time. So first item is this necklace. I love like the edgy vibe. Oh, here we have their belt. It's a butterfly. That is so cute. What is in here? Whoa, just look at that. That is beautiful. I love this. Oh my god, this feels so good quality. Wow. Oh, how cute is this? Cute little striped dress. I think I'm gonna look so good in this. Ooh. I'm gonna get such edgy vibed pictures. I love the back, like this right here. SMFK retro. Oh my god, look at these shoes. They look so bougie. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear these. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god, look! They gifted me one of their fur coats. Yo, literally these coats are so soft. Good quality. It's thick. It actually feels very heavy. God, I feel so special. Thank you, SMFK, for sending this. Even me and Chloe love it. Look at her. What are you doing? Yo, look at that. I look so good. The glasses, the coat. A vibe. I need to get pictures in this. Guys, you have no idea. Like, faux fur is my absolute favorite thing this season. Especially since I literally live in a winter wonderland. It's like I'm finally taking advantage of it. Like, by wearing all these like furry things. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. Girlie woke up with too many pimples, and on top of that my eczema is like really bad this year on my neck and it's like really itchy. I actually have to do the dishes. I've been letting it accumulate because I am lazy. Anyways, I'm wearing black today because I'm really embracing my rising Scorpio. Did you guys know that I've been getting my rising sign wrong this whole time? My ass really thought I was rising Sagittarius. I'm in denial. So I'm an Aries sun, Aries moon, and Scorpio rising. I feel like that's very accurate though. Let's do the dishes. I should put on an apron. Get festive, you know what I mean? Leftovers earlier, so I'm still kind of full, so I'm only gonna eat like this much.
사랑한다고 말해줬다면 믿어줄.
Hi guys, so we're still hanging out at my family's house. It's like 1:30 a.m. My dad is sleeping. Here's my mom. Yo, wake up!
없는 현실 너무나도 비참해. There's no one 너 같은 너만 고통받고 있는 게 아니야. 나도 아파야 baby. E-I-O-U means I love you and nothing else will do. Yeah, baby, I owe you. Oh.
Happy birthday, dear.